Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about two China ceramic supply cities and compare the porcelains manufactured from Dehua and Jingdezhen in China. And let's compare from different aspects of tradition, features, history, craftsmanship, material, techniques, prices, and market strategy. And so let's get started. Raw materials and firing techniques. Dehua is a ceramic industrial city in Fujian province, where craftsmen dig up traditional Dehua clay, and this clay, when fired at lower temperatures, gives that classic milky white finish to Dehua ceramics. It's like the purity of a freshly fallen snowflake. But here is the catch: it's more susceptible to wear and tear over time. Now, shift your gaze to Jingdezhen, where artisans source high-quality clay rich in minerals. Fired at temperatures exceeding 1,300 centigrade, these ceramics not only withstand the test of time, but also boast vibrant colors. It's like the difference between a quick selfie and a professionally captured portrait. Craftsmanship in Dehua ceramics. Imagine the hustle and bustle of Dehua workshops, a hub of activity with artisans skillfully applying decal techniques, in other words, transparent heat printing. It's like a well-oiled machine churning out ceramics in bulk. Practical, yes, but more like the fast food of the ceramic world. Now, let's step into the serene studios of Jingdezhen, where every stroke is a masterpiece. Handcrafted with finesse, these pieces are like the haute couture of ceramics. Think of it as a hand-stitched gown compared to the mass-produced outfits. Functionality and purpose. Dunhua ceramics are designed for everyday use. They're like your favorite pair of jeans, reliable, comfortable, and meant to be used without much fuss. Jingdezhen ceramics, on the other hand, are more like the dazzling jewelry you save for special occasions. They are the showpieces, not your everyday companions. Price range. Dehua ceramics are wallet friendly, and Dehua ceramics won't break the bank. You can snag a set for around 15 to 50 US dollars, and individual pieces are even more budget friendly. Jingdezhen ceramics, hold on to your wallets, man. Jingdezhen ceramics can be a splurge. Hand-painted items, especially those crafted by masters, might set you back anywhere from 100 US dollars to several thousand US dollars. Market positioning. Dehua ceramics are like the friendly neighbor who crafts practical items for the community. It's all about accessibility and meeting everyday needs. Jingdezhen ceramics are in the league of its own. It's the boutique store that caters to connoisseurs, offering cultural significant artistic pieces that are more than just functional items. Cultural heritage. Dehua is a guardian of tradition, proudly showcasing its expertise in traditional clay and ceramic sculpture. It's like the keeper of ancient scrolls, preserving the essence of the craft. Jingdezhen, our ancient town, wears its rich history like a crown. It's not just about making ceramics, is about preserving a cultural heritage that spans centuries. Conclusion. As we wrap up our ceramic adventure, here is the essence. Dehua and Jingdezhen are like two chapters in cultivating novel. Dehua is a reliable companion for the everyday journey, while Jingdezhen is a masterpiece that adds a touch of elegance to life's special moments. And the following people are most suitable to come to Jingdezhen if you are creative artists, ceramic study tourists, ceramic industry researcher, international trader or agents, digital nomads, gap year students, ceramic arts teachers, artistic, freelancer, or tourists. There you have the intricate tale of Dehua and Jingdezhen ceramics. If you are still sipping on that drink, drop a comment below. What's your take on this porcelain showdown? And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cultural explorations. Until next time, happy sipping, happy collecting.